Today, let's take a look at an old Kaywoodie pipe that I came across for free. Some a-hole decided to cut the stinger off of it, but at least it still screws together properly. This is marked as a Kaywoodie Rustica number 39, made in England. But anyway, I hate the finish on this thing and I have nothing to lose, so let's get started. First, it takes a 3-hour bath in acetone, and after a little drying time, this is how it turns out. This time we're going to do something a little different, so I'm going to try out Phoebing's Pro Dye Green. As always, it takes very little of the Pro Dye. And if you get it on the metal, it wipes right off. I'm going to let this one cure overnight. And this is how it turned out. I'm kind of surprised how much I like the green tint on this finish. In reality, I think this has immediately become a really adequate St. Patrick's Day pipe. It's still too bad that that a-hole cut the stinger. But overall, it turned out very clean. Let's see a few close-ups and then I'll let you get out of here. So that's it for today. Have you come across any vintage items that you're refinishing? Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you're working on. Until then, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.